This phone cost over 1,200 euros brand new, but there's one detail that completely ruins it. Today we have a Samsung Z Flip 6 with a broken screen. And the screen isn't even the worst part. It's that if you mess up just one single step, you could completely brick it. Here's the funny thing. A high-end phone is usually designed to last, but reality tells a different story. Let's get started. We apply heat at 90 degrees to remove the back cover. You can also use a plastic card and isopropyl alcohol. Now comes one of the most delicate parts, removing the top screen. This is where a lot of people fail. One wrong move, too much pressure, or letting it cool down, and the repair becomes a total disaster. We use a plastic card and thin guitar picks to separate the adhesive. Very important, if you feel resistance, don't force it. Apply heat again, because if you don't, the screen will break right in your hand. And on this phone, that gets expensive. Once we manage to remove it, we disconnect the connector using a plastic tool. Nothing metallic. At this point, we finally have access to the inside. And now, the real work begins. We remove all the screws from the top section, take off the metal shield, disconnect the flex cables, the antenna, and everything else. And now, we have direct access to the motherboard. We carefully take out the board, then the main camera, next the front camera, and we leave something critical for the end, the battery. There is zero room for error here. We pry it out using a plastic card and apply contact cleaner to help loosen the adhesive. Never force it, because a damaged battery can swell up, or worse, explode. Now comes a key part, the transfer. Everything we just removed has to go into the new screen. And this is where experience really shows. Battery, cameras, motherboard, every piece in its place, every flex cable properly connected. Because a tiny mistake here means the phone won't work later, or some part won't snap in perfectly. Let's move on to the bottom section. We disconnect the NFC antenna, remove the screws, take out the bottom speaker. Here's the charging port module. We remove it, and after that, we take out the bottom battery. All right now, with all the parts out, we start rebuilding the device, the reverse process, but with the exact same precision, no rushing. Because here, assembling it wrong is just as dangerous as disassembling it wrong. Before sealing the device, we run some checks. Screen, works, colors, look right, touch response, perfect. Everything is good to go. We only work with original Samsung screens because that's what makes the difference. The customer gets to keep the same quality, the same experience, as if the phone had never been broken. And now, the final seal. We place the top screen, tighten the last screws, snap the back cover into place. Here's an important tip for you. If the original adhesive is still in good condition, you can reactivate it with isopropyl alcohol and 90 degrees of heat. This way, you get a perfect seal on the device again. And if not, reinforce the corners with special phone adhesive. Now there's only one thing left, the final checks. Sound, vibration, network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Everything has to be flawless. And just like that, a phone that seemed like a lost cause comes back to life. But remember this isn't just about swapping a screen. It's about knowing exactly what to do at the exact right moment. Because with these kinds of devices, a single mistake doesn't just cost you time, it costs you the phone. I'm Leonardo. That was today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.